Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can sign up or create your own Meesho account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So the first thing you need to do is open the Meesho app on your Android device. So once you open the Meesho app, you will be asked to choose a language of your preference, and you can even select your gender. After doing so, you need to simply click on the account icon, which will then ask you to select a country of your choice and enter the number. So from the drop down menu, you can select any respective country and type in its number. So once you are done typing in the number with the country code selected, you can simply press on the continue button. So after doing so, you will get an OTP number which you need to enter. So once you type in the OTP, you need to click on verify, which will then be verified, and you will get a message about it. So once it is done, you will get signed in into your account. So this way you can create an account on Meesho. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.